For my geography assignment, I chose to do the landform Niagara Falls. I chose this landform because I can incorporate other kinds of landforms into Niagara Falls and also show the other landforms that help create Niagara Falls. The competencies and concepts I would like the children to be able to do at the end of the lesson is to identify and describe various landforms like the ocean, rivers, lakes, and waterfalls, and location where Niagara Falls is located. First, I would have some worksheets for the children with pictures and definitions of the landforms we will be looking at. So, for example, what is a landform? It is a natural feature on Earth's surface. A waterfall is a place in a river where water spills downward suddenly. An ocean is a huge body of salt water that covers nearly 71% of the Earth's surface. A glacier is a large body of ice moving slowly down a slope or a wide area of land. And a lake is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. In the video that I chose, it is about two little boys, and they go and explore the falls. They go to the Main Mist, they go into the falls, then they go on a helicopter over the falls, and then at the very end, they go behind the falls. After we watch the video, I will be able to ask the children if they were ever on a lake, if they were ever on a boat, if they ever saw a waterfall, questions like that. And we'll also be able to describe what other landforms we saw after we watch the video, and we'll discuss that as a class. So the first activity I would do in my class is to read the book Niagara Falls by Sarah E. de Coppola. And in this book, they'll be able to actually understand some history about the falls, see some pictures of the falls, and understand the falls a little bit more. On the Google Earth is my second activity, and here they'll be able to see everything from if they were in a helicopter. So they'll be able to see the Atlantic Ocean, Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, the Niagara River, and the Canadian and American border. And they'll be able to see the mist around the falls and the rocky edges that are around there and all the grass and the greens, things like that. Lastly, I would do education.com worksheet, like coloring sheet, where it's called Color the World, Niagara Falls, and it actually corresponds with the video of where the Canadian and American border is. And they'll be able to find it and identify it. So that's about it. Thanks.